What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to optimize or how to do the image optimization or the media optimization on your WordPress website to gain speed, performance, and make your site loads faster. So follow the scenario. You run a test on Google Lighthouse or maybe on GTmetrix, or some page speed score, and you get some bad scores and you get some recommendation to optimize your image because the images are too big, are too long for loading, and how to do this in a bulk for free without having the needs of deleting all the image, resizing, re-optimizing, and re-uploading for free. This is what we're gonna learn to this video, okay? Before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content, okay, with a friend of yours. Now let's get this started. First thing, go to WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover mouse over plugins, and we're gonna click into the sub menu add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of our screen, next to search plugins, we're gonna type Optimal, just like this, okay? Image optimization by Optimal, lazy load, CDN, convert, WebP, and AVIF, okay? Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugin's welcome page. Here is the page where you want to set up your API key, okay? First thing, you need to create and connect your account. You can do this just by typing your email, just right here. As soon as you connect the plugin, normally all you have to do is enter your email. Okay, the plugin gonna automatically set up for you an account, an API key. You're just gonna receive an email to confirm that this email is yours, okay? And the plugin gonna start the optimization for you. We have some visits quotes, okay, because we are in the free plan. Nothing to worry. Image optimization is correctly running. Your visitors will now view the best image for their device automatically. All the saved from the website cloud services on by fly. You might see for the very first image request being redirected to the original URL. So the plugin, it starts working, okay? Here are the image. We have saved some spaces on the image we have on our website. We have the settings menu. Enable image optimization handling, scale image and lazy load, enable error, disable optimal badge, up to you. You can disable, nothing to worry. Save change. We have the advanced menus for optimization and compression, automatic best image format selection, network-based optimization, serve CSS and get through optimal, up to you, okay? I recommend that you test these tools, okay? For example, select this one, save your change, review your website, review if all is right, all is looking good. After this, activate another, because these experiments, these advanced options can potentially break your site, okay? So activate one, test, activate another, test, okay? We have the resize option, we have the smart cropping, a very interesting option, the retina quality, and the image limit sizes, okay? We have the lazy load options, okay? We have some placeholder colors in the case that you want to set up. The bypass lazy load for the first image. Browse native lazy load. Up to you, okay? We have this image scaling and some other very nice options, and we can embed CSS for background lazy loading as well. We have some exclusions in the case that I want to change this. We have the cloud library and the image storage, okay? And some options to play with. We have the help menus, okay, for getting support, change log, and docs. But basically, the plugin is already doing the work for you. And there is nothing to worry, okay? Easy, fast, and works for free.